Hey, and welcome to Next. We know that getting started with a new platform can feel a bit overwhelming, so this quick guide will be a perfect place to begin. Let's dive in. First step is to click on New Campaign on the top right corner. Enter your campaign name and any other details you'd like to include. Then click Open. Now let's create your first creative, and give it a name that makes sense for your campaign. For the ad type, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. In this example, let's start with standard in-feed. Next, type in or choose the size of your placement from the drop-down menu. Choose the media buying platform where you plan to publish the ad. This step is important for exporting your creative later. If you hover over the question marks in the interface, you'll see helpful explanations for each option. Now let's pick a layout. We offer from over 30 layouts to choose from, so take a moment to explore your options. For this example, we'll go with a horizontal 3D cube layout. Once you have decided on your choice, click Use to confirm. Next, it's time to upload your assets. You can upload them directly or drag and drop them to the asset library. If you don't have assets ready, you can download our demo assets to test the platform right away. Then fill the asset slots by dragging and dropping from the asset library. From the Extras tab, you can add an overlay logo and a call to action button that stays visible while the ad is being interacted with. Once you're happy with your creative, click Preview. The creative will open in a new window where you can interact with it in full. You can also click Copy Link to share it with others, or scan the QR code to preview on your phone. To export your creative, click Export as Tags. This allows you to publish it on the DSP of your choice. Congratulations! You've just created your first ad creative in Next. If you ever need help, check out our support portal at support.next.com or check out our YouTube channel to view more tutorials to help you get started.